Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we're back with another video. So today's video is a super cute, super quick, super easy closure wig install sponsored by Myfirstwig. It's been a minute since we last kicked it, so super excited to show y'all what's in store. I mean, as y'all can see, it's clearly giving. If you want the details to this unit, this 10x6 closure that you can put behind your ears, right? Yep. Stick around. But before you go, as always, make sure you go ahead and do your girl a favor and subscribe to my channel. See you in a few. It's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never find myself. Okay, so like I said earlier, today we're working with Myfirstwig. They always send me such good wigs. Very excited because I have to be at work soon. I'm in a rush, so hopefully they get me right because I literally have to leave in like 15 minutes. Of course, they sent your girl super cute Myfirstwig wig band. Ooh, okay, I love this. A nice like travel wig bag, which of course this is what the wig is also housed in. And then some goodies in like a cute little bag, clips, and a comb. So we're gonna get right into it. We're not gonna waste any time because like I said, I need to go. I love that they always have all the details right here ready for me so I can give it to y'all. Texture is silky, length is 20 inches, and hair color is natural black. The cap size is size 1, 21.5 to 22 inches. Give me a wig cap, and of course the wig. Oh, this feels good. So this is a 10x6 closure. Honestly, this is one of the biggest closures I've ever seen. Like typically the biggest I've seen is like 7x5. 10x6 is huge. So like that's 10 inches across and then that's gonna go 6 inches back. That is a big closure. I think that's probably gonna be like one of the most natural closures that I've ever encountered. So I'm pretty excited for that. I'm loving the new wig cap. So it has a drawstring feature that you can tighten and loosen, and then it also has a wig band. So this is going to be super, super secure. This is not going anywhere. Lace is pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-everything, pre-bleached. Like ain't nothing I got to do but comb this baby out and be on my merry way, because that's literally what I'm about to do. This looks long for 20 inches, okay? I'm going to tint her and then we're gonna put it right on. So I like to use a cream foundation by Ruby Kisses. I use shade 11. Get a bunch on my brush. I don't know if this is a foundation brush. It's a contour brush. I don't know if that means anything to y'all. I don't know. I just use a big fluffy brush. I'm gonna try not to get this on my gray outfit here. And I'm just gonna go in and tint my lace. Okay, I think that's pretty good. She's looking like me. And we're getting a move on. Ah! Okay, we might have to tide stick that. Cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a wig cap real quick. And we're also going to tint the wig cap as well. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's good enough. I'm gonna tighten this guy just a little bit. And boom. Okay, so I'm just going to pull the hair back so I can see the lace that I'm working with without the little itty bitty hairs getting in the way. So like I said, this lace is a 10x6, so we have a lot of lace to work with, which is good. This is honestly like, because my head is pretty small, this is basically a frontal on me, so I'm going to treat it as such. It's been a while since I put even on my head, child, but today's the day, because like I said, I got to get to work. Pull this wig cap forward just a little bit more. So I'm just using a light hold spray. I'm not gonna use what I would use for a full-blown install, which would be like a stronghold glue. This I honestly could take off with water if I wanted to. So I'm just gonna go over my skin with some spray. Jesus! Like what the hello? It's been a minute since we used her, honey. They said even was canceled, but I gotta use what I got left. I like to do like at least 2 layers and let them get tacky. Can you bring me the black towel that's on my thing? Please. Then I'm just gonna take the lace and place that directly on my should be tacky spray. Like so. And it pretty much should hold. That comes the hard part, doing this with one hand. And like so. And now for the facelift. Abracadabra, abracadabra. Just gonna push the lace down. Down, 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 down. And then I'm gonna grab my wig bond, tie that sucker around. Oh, 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 hello. Listen, I on a good day, I have a bob. I'm not used to dealing with too much hair. Don't piss me off. Next thing's next. We're just gonna comb the hair out. It already comes pre-straightened, which is great because I don't have a lot of time. And then I'm gonna take my hot comb and go in on this part, y'all. I'm spending more time on this than I really need to. Like, hot combing is the best part. It literally just takes it from here to here, okay? Okay, let's check on this lace and then we'll continue hot combing after, because I feel like we've definitely, you know, done a little bit. And I'm just gonna comb it back just a touch. Ah, the smell of burnt hair in the morning. Untie this. Jesus. Okay, and then we can take some of the hair off of our face. But I like to do it this way because then it just gives me kind of like natural edges. Like whatever hair gets in the way of the lace, I kind of just don't even comb it back anymore because it just gives me like a natural hairline right there. Same thing here. I like to tint my lace a little bit darker on my forehead just because my forehead is the darkest part of my face. And then I like to use the Fantasia Liquid Mousse Super Hold Spritz and just basically spray that on a little brush and just touch up any pieces of lace that I missed or any pieces of lace that are white, because she will help those white pieces disappear. And it's also a holding spritz, so it won't make your lace lift. It'll actually just help it hold even more. And I love how thick this hair is without being too thick. Like it's full, but it's like not overwhelming. All right, and we are done. Quick and easy, spray only install. And like, can you believe this is a closure? A closure install that I could put behind my ears. Only Myfirstwig can do it, y'all. Like, it's too good. Quick enough for me to install and be on time for work. Like, y'all, look how natural this unit looks. I think it hits even harder with my glasses. Like, I need my glasses to dry. You guys don't see me with my glasses a lot because this is short distance, honey. Like, it doesn't take a lot to see in front of the camera, but like, I literally need to drive with my glasses. I can't see far away. But it actually hits with the glasses. Hold on. This is a look. Myfirstwig, I think you might have really did something here. I'm really feeling this one. I love going to work with a new hairstyle. They be so confused. And I live for it. They'd be like, is this your hair? Is this your hair? Is this your hair? Yes, all of it is. It all belongs to me. It's all mine. See? It's literally coming from my scalp. Yeah, I literally just grew it last night. Anyway, huge shout out to Myfirstwig for sending me this unit to try. Absolutely adore her. She's giving, she's eating, period. And yeah, of course, the details as usual always be down below in my bio. She's 20 inches. She's a 10x6 closure. It's giving frontal though, because what closure can you put behind your ears, honey? Exactly. This one. What else? It's the silky texture that they offer. I think they offer a couple different textures, but this is the silky smooth texture, Indian hair. What else? Oh, the cap size is 1, so it's a 21.5 inch to 22 inch. If you have a smaller head, she might fit you like a frontal, like how she fits me. Love it. And I think that's it. Oh, natural black hair color, so it's like 1B. If you know, you know. Direct link will be down below in my bio. If they give me a discount code, I'll give it to y'all. Make sure y'all have it. It'll be down below in my bio too. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, compliments, feel free to comment them down below. I love to hear from y'all. Love to chat with y'all. Love to yap. And I think that's about all I have for y'all. I literally need to go to work. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, it's your girl Mina. Have a good day. I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself.